Hi everyone, Chef Mark here with Contract Appliance. I'm here at the Max Fund to drop off my donation item for Putting on the Max.
It's an in-home cooking class for up to 10 people. I bring all the food, I bring the equipment, and I bring a great time.
Chef Mark.
How's it going?
Great, how are you today?
I'm here to drop off my donation item for Putting on the Max.
Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure, so tell me a little bit more about it.
We are going to be at the Brown Palace October 14th, Putting on the Max. It's our 29th annual and we can't wait.
Yeah, so you know, it's my third year donating cooking classes to Putting on the Max.
I know.
Yeah, so I'm super excited about it. You know that I'm a cat person?
I did know that.
Yeah.
I've heard that rumor.
Yeah, it's a rumor I'm not afraid of, so why I'm here, I'm going to go look at some kitties.
That's exciting. Thank
Okay,
you.
yeah, it's my pleasure. All right, let's go check out the cats.
Max Fun is Denver's no-kill animal shelter. It's located right downtown. They also have a dog building, so swing on by and find a forever friend.
I'm in heaven. You know, these cats are stealing my heart. I think I'm going to find a special cat to take home and give him a forever home. Okay, Chip, good news. We're going to be roommates. You're my new sous chef. All right, we're going to provide a great forever home for Chip.